taking your camping experience to the max. The culmination of quality, comfort, and luxury is embodied in every Wildcat Maxx. From 7-foot-tall ceilings on all travel trailers and Max king-size beds, to residential solid surface counters and extra-large stainless steel sinks, Wildcat Maxx helps you settle in an atmosphere of elegance and functionality that exceeds every definition of excellence. Some popular features in the Wildcat Maxx include Max King Bed in the Master Suite, oversized 32 by 24-inch slam latch, 1-inch insulated baggage doors, large enough for a suitcase generator, JT Strong Arm Stabilizer System magnetic door catches, residential oversized stainless steel sink with designer pull-out faucet and sprayer, 30-inch electric fireplace, heats up to 500 square feet, 21-inch oven with cast iron cooking grates, 10.7-foot cubic 12-volt refrigerator, residential solid surface counters, 30-inch friction hinge entry door, backup camera and solar prep, multiple dual USB charging ports. This unit is produced by one of the largest manufacturers in our nation and supported by Sutton RV. A family tradition for over 100 years. Come see the Wildcat Maxx at Sutton RV. Sutton RV, you're gonna like it here.